Let me quickly tell you this. You don't need a car loan to build your credit. Many people, you have to go and get a car loan for so much, and that you are paying so much over it to build because you want to build your credit. You don't need that. You don't need a car loan to build your credit. Let me quickly tell you simple ways to build your credit. Number one is get a secure credit card. Get a secure credit card is just approach your financial institutions, tell them that okay, you want them to be, you just pay little for them, like $200, pay that little $200, or you can have some, secure credit card banks around you that you can just contact. Your Open Sky is one of them. Just get online now and then look for Open Sky. Open Sky, you can just put any amount that you are comfortable with. It's your personal money. You understand? But they will be reporting it to you as if they have given you credit. Because you know what people always say, that you need credit to build credit. And that is very true. Nobody will want to give you credit until they know that you have established some credit. And since they don't trust you, you trust yourself. You can give them some money and say, okay, you know what? I want to start building credit with this my money. You understand? So just give them little money like $200, and then you start building your credit. They are reporting for you, and you are utilizing it very well. The next one is to have a personal loan. You can have personal loan for like 2,000. You understand that you'll be paying personal loan, just personal loan. And then only thing you need to establish with them is if they will be reporting the personal loan for you every now and then. If they are not reporting it to the credit bureau, please stop it. Don't engage yourself in that. The next one you need to do is to become a backup of an authorized user. Authorized user of a credit account. If someone like your family members has a good credit, that you can be an authorized user of the account. You understand, of their credit, and they can sign you up as a backup account holder of their card. You understand? Let's say my friend now has a very good credit of like 600 or whatever, and is really doing it well. I can be an authorized user of their account, and then as they are reporting for my friend, they are also reporting it to me. And as my friend's credit is increasing, is getting up, my own credit is also increasing. You can be an authorized user of an account. Your spouse, you can be an authorized user of your spouse. You can be an authorized user of your friend or your family members. You can do that. Another way to do again is to make sure your rent or your bills are being reported for. How will you do that? You can do that by signing up with Experian Boost. If you have Experian Boost, just go online now, just look for Experian.com, and under the Experian.com, sign up with them as a paid member, as a monthly paid members. So once you have that, subscribe to that, and then go to the Boost. Once you go to Boost, and then all they just want from you is to sign up your card. You understand? The very card that you are using to pay your bills, to pay your light, electricity, your water bills, your rent and whatever. So once you do that with the Experian Boost, every time you are making payments on your rent, every time you are making payments of your electricity, every time you are making payment of your water bills, so they will be reporting it to you as if it's a credit, and then your credit is getting increased. Those are the simple ways to build your credit without getting a car loan. You don't need to get a car loan to build your credit. And my dear, you don't need so much, on your credit to really build your credit. You only need the scores, especially when you want to buy a house. And then once your score increases to a certain, figure, why wouldn't you contact me? Another thing I need to add before I leave the video now is you always check on your credit. If the last time you ever check on your credit was last month, 2 months ago or last year, you are getting too late. Check on your credit regularly. Check on the report on your credit, because there are some things they might put on the report of your credit that you probably might want to dispute as soon as possible. Do you understand? So always check on your credit. And the way to check on your credit, like I said earlier mentioned, is to go to Experian.com, go to Credit Karma. At least you can have access to your credit, and then there's an annual credit report that you can always check your credit. So I want to leave this video now. This is Kola Adebisi. I'm your realtor. In case you need somebody that want to help you in getting your house, I just told you about the tips to work on your credit. And if your credit has increased to certain figures and you want to buy a house, I'm your consultant. And then if you are relocating to Texas, you might be anywhere in the US, you are relocating to Texas, I'm your first and your best choice in Texas. Why wouldn't you contact me today and let's discuss your possibilities? Thank you so much. My phone number is 972-639-1000. 972-639-1000. The point that I'm mentioning here is you don't need to get a car loan to build your credit. Get your house first, even if you need a car. Get your house first. Get your house first. House first, then you can get a car loan. If that is what you want. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.